Here we have a 2005 55 Volkswagen Golf R32. It's in really good condition throughout. Love the alloys on this, really suits the blue. It's got nice soft leather interior. Some of these came with cloth, this comes with leather. Everything works as it should. Leather's not in too bad condition really. It's a little bit of wear on the bolster there, but nothing really for that. Very clean inside. It's got a CD, radio. Done 111,200 miles or so. Beautiful blue. I think these really stand out with the blue and the chrome at the front. Really look the part. So this is up for sale on Auto Trader. It's got a nice sound to it as well. So I will demonstrate. Yes, it sounds pretty good. Yeah, so come and view it if you want to buy it. It's up for 8,000. Thanks a lot.